Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Shimoy's Garage. We got some exciting news. As you see right behind me, I got new bumpers for the LML. So let me show you them real quick. But before we get started, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe for more, and follow along with all the builds. Recently got the truck fully paint corrected. Got brand new headlights for this truck. Just resealed my handles because I kept messing up. Got new lights in the handles and double checked my mirrors by East Coast LED. Paint is looking crispy on this thing now. I had a lot of paint scratches, rock chips and all that. So I just had to get it fixed for the season. So now we're getting closer to show ready. We got Flog bumpers for this truck, front and rear. It's the Steel Demon series. Here are all the parts for it. We got chrome trim to go around where the fog light bezels are in the rear. And we also have these light pods. There's 6 of them. 4 in the front, 2 in the rear. Enough talking though. Let's get assembling this thing so we can get this on the LML. The first thing I'm going to do is do this little grill insert where it's these bunch of little Allen heads with lock nuts on it. So let's get bolting that in. Now I'm going to start doing these inserts. You sit in right like that, and then a chrome trim piece goes right on here with adhesive. Just got all the fog light bezels bolted in and tightened. I just got to clean this up, but this goes right on the back here like that. So it has a chrome trim on the front and rear bumpers. Now that we got the light pockets all bolted in, we got to put these light pods in the slots. They sit in right there. Just like the rear one there. I still gotta go around and bolt them. I'm just placing them all into spot. Here's a front one of the front. So let's get all these in there and check it out. Bumper is pretty much all set. Just gotta do the trim pieces, but we're not doing those just yet. I just installed the bumper mount bracket. It's in the factory slots with the factory bolts down the bottom. Right here, it replaces your tow hooks, and they send you new hardware to replace it with. So now all I gotta do is pick this up and put it exactly on those bolts, slide it right in, and put the nuts on it. Alright, well now we're getting a real taste of how things are looking. That's the first gist of how the bumper looks. Looks sick. I can't wait. Once I put the chrome trims right there, it'll look cherry on top. I bought this grill because I wanted those chrome trim tabs. My old grill had black trim tabs, so I just got to switch over the chrome trims, put that on, and put it on here, and that whole front end should be tied in way better than before. This truck is having some major facelift. With the new grill, headlights, and front bumper, it looks insane. I literally did not think this truck could get any better than it was, but this completely changed my mind. All I got to do is wrap up my fog light and sensor harness, put the front wheels on, flip it over, and get the rear bumper up mounted. Alright, we got the wheels on. Check this thing out. It's freaking huge now that it's back on its 42s. This looks so much better. Now time to get switched over to the rear and get the final product. Alright, so on the rear bumpers on these trucks, you have to actually loosen all the front bed bolts, take off the ones in the rear, jack up the bed to slide the factory bumper out, and now I gotta put this this bumper brace for the bumper, and I have to do the same thing. So that's where we're at right now. Just grab a piece of wood and put it on the bed rail so that way I don't push through my bed or anything. Just lift it up and slide this top piece over. And last night was getting real late, and I just had to get it done because this morning we got to wash and we have a show to go to. But check out the final result. absolutely in love with how this truck came out. These bumpers definitely just topped off the truck, and now she's looking the way she deserves to look. But that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, peace.